By the end of the video, we'll know about 30-minute beginner's bodyweight workout. No equipment needed. Hey there fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting workout plan for all you beginners out there. This 30-minute bodyweight workout is perfect for those of you who are new to the fitness game and don't have any equipment at home. The best part about this workout is that it requires absolutely no equipment. You can do it in your living room, your bedroom, or even in your backyard. It's a quick and easy way to stay fit and healthy without stepping foot in a gym. This workout consists of 3 circuits, each containing 4 exercises. The goal is to complete each circuit as quickly as possible, resting only as needed. But remember, if you're just starting out, take your time and listen to your body. Now let's get started. Here are the exercises for the first circuit. 1. Push-ups 10 reps. 2. Squats 10 reps. 3. Tricep dips 10 reps. 4. Jumping jacks 50 reps. Once you've completed those 4 exercises, take a short break if needed, and then move on to the next circuit. 2. Sit-ups 10 reps. 3. Lunges 10 reps. 4. Plank hold 50 seconds. 5. Burpees 5 reps. 6. Squats 10 reps 7. Lunges 10 reps 8. Plank hold 50 seconds. 9. Burpees 5 reps. 7. Sit-ups 10 reps. This circuit is all about toning those abs and glutes in a fun and challenging way. And that concludes our first bodyweight workout session. If you enjoyed this workout or found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and workouts. Remember to share this video with your friends who are also looking for a quick at-home workout plan without any equipment needed. Until next time, keep pushing yourself towards that fitter version of yourself.